Hi, my name's Deana Uppal and I came to TheLifeCo last week. I think the main reason that I came here was I could feel my sugar cravings building up really high. Like it came to a point where I couldn't go a few hours without eating a candy bar. I wasn't keeping track of my nutrition. I was eating junk food every few days and I could just really feel my health declining. So I thought TheLifeCo would be the best place to come to try and sort myself out and just kickstart me to get on a healthy lifestyle again. So I chose to do the Master Detox cleanse program, and that involves drinking fruit juices throughout the day. You can't have any caffeine, you can't eat any food, just purely juices. So it's the first time that I've tried a fast like this. And I think the main thing that I've liked about doing the cleanse here is just the different programs that you can do throughout the day, and the beautiful location that we're in. So that really keeps your mind off any hunger that you might feel. Especially for me, the yoga classes were amazing because I really enjoy yoga. So we were doing like 2 classes of yoga per day. We had different variations of meditation, so that was really nice. But yeah, I would definitely recommend coming here and doing the cleanse for anyone that's just feeling like you need a kickstart on your health. You need to get rid of the cravings that you've been having in your daily life. Yeah, highly recommended. So while I've been staying at TheLifeCo, there's been various treatments that I've been doing as well. I've been doing the Ozone Therapy every day, which is amazing. I've been getting daily massages. I've got a few of the IV drips, which really made me feel good. So yeah, as the week's gone on, I've just seen myself look better. Mentally, I've been feeling better, and physically. So going through this detox myself, I've had a really positive experience. It has been a bit of a roller coaster of emotions at the beginning, you know, getting through all the cravings and the headaches. But as the week goes by, you get so many positive effects from the cleanse and from the fasting. It's just amazing, and I think it's definitely something that I'm going to keep up for the rest of my life. I hope that I can do a cleanse like this at home probably every 4 to 5 months. TheLifeCo has given me so much information as well that I can do this at home, but always I think it's best to do a cleanse in a place like this because the surroundings are so beautiful and you have so much help and so much things to keep you busy. But yeah, overall, I would definitely do the cleanse again. And, anyone, all ages, they can come here. TheLifeCo will develop a program for each person specifically, depending on your needs and your health needs. So anyone can come here and benefit from the program. Don't be scared. I think fasting is a great thing for everyone, and you feel good.